so excited! I think that this look is perfect for everyone, and because we're working with a ton of neutral shades, you can customize it to fit your skin tone, and you'll actually see that in the tutorial. I think this look is also perfect for any magazine cover. If I were to be on a magazine cover. I even did a little photo shoot with my brother, and that took a little longer than it should have. I'm also going to show you how I edited a photo and added the Vogue cover title above my head. I'm finally announcing my collaboration with a makeup brand, so I'm going to be featuring some of their products on my face today. I've already tried out these products. I've already done a wear test and everything. The first time I heard of Mellow Cosmetics was through ShanXO here on YouTube. She made a whole swatch video of a ton of their liquid lipsticks when liquid lipsticks were the trend. I think it comes back full circle because now I'm doing YouTube videos about makeup. I'm so excited to share a coupon code with y'all. It's Mellow15 to save some money at checkout. You can check out Mellow Cosmetics through the link down below. It is an affiliate link. I always want to keep it transparent with y'all, and with everything going on in the world, I definitely want to give back. So if I do earn anything, I do plan to donate to some organizations that are near and dear to my heart. I'm a small YouTuber. I haven't reached the threshold to make an AdSense yet, and I think that this is a perfect way for us makeup lovers to keep doing what we love and helping out the community. And so yeah, let's get started. Here is our color palette. It's only 2 shades, so it's super duper easy to follow. Today we're doing a very easy, beginner-friendly makeup look. It's neutral. For once, I'm not doing color, which makes me sad. We're gonna first go into the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. I'm just going to be using the transition shade from here. I'm gonna go in with my NYX number 16 brush and focus that on the outer corner and bring it up to the crease. Having a transition crease color will help add some dimension to the look. Sun, come back! What the heck? If I cannot have color, I will amplify the glitter. I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer, focus it on the lid, and pat it out upwards and throughout. I'm going to be dipping into the Glitter Chrome eyeshadow from Mellow Cosmetics. We're going for that very glowy, dewy look today. I'm also gonna put it lightly over the outer crease where the matte shade was, and then it also connects with the intense highlighter. Well, that went higher than I expected. I'm gonna bring this a little higher because I got a little carried away on the other eye. So I'm gonna match it on this eye. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit on my inner corner as well with my pinky. Ooh, and we're not gonna do a lower lash line. I really want our eyes to open up with this look, and so instead, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Wonder Pencil in medium, and this is a skin-toned eyeliner, and so we're gonna tight line with this. And of course, some mascara, which will take me like 90 years to do. I don't think I'll put any lower lash line mascara either. I really want this look to be light and eye-opening, and so I think that's it for the eyes. Moving on to the lips. I'm starting off with the Rimmel Cafe au Lait lip liner. I love me some lip gloss, if y'all didn't already know. And this is in collaboration with Pia. This is actually their only lip gloss formula. And if y'all need help with making more lip gloss shades, I love how opaque this lip gloss is, and it's not sticky, which is really nice. Because I've been going out a lot and tanning a lot, if I wear this alone, it does make me look a little borderline dead. Kind of like models, which is kind of the theme for this video. I love how the lip gloss mixes with the lip liner once you put it on your lips, and it just makes the perfect light nude. Y'all, I only dipped into that lip gloss once. Smacks. This is the finished look, and now we're going to make our own Vogue cover, but not using the horrid Snapchat filter that turns me into a literal orange. I use the Pixar app on my phone, and it's free. So this is the photo on the chopping block today. This photo took about an hour to achieve, thanks to my brother. I picked the stickers icon on the bottom and searched for Vogue. There are a ton to choose from, but we all know I am basic. So I picked the plain black one. You can move it, resize it, and fulfill your perfectionist needs by making sure it lines up with the center blue line. And then, if your head blocks the text, you can actually erase the overlapping area by clicking the erase tool on the top. Finally, you'll have an Instagram-worthy post. You can check mine out at Kate with 3 A's. My Instagram and YouTube username is the same. Till the next one, see ya!